To begin screen recording on Motorola Edge 50 Neo, first we'll need to swipe our finger from top of our screen, then swipe down again, move to the right until you can find screen record. Click on it, then you can customize the settings. For example, you can manage audio recording, so enable or disable microphone, enable or disable system sounds, or enable both of them at the same time, or just mute everything. You can activate the camera footage as well, and enable or disable touch points. Touch points will be visible during recording exactly where you touch with your finger on the screen. Now let's enable them and start recording. And it should begin right here with that countdown. So on this toolbar we can see that it's now recording, and then let's just click on something like Google, and we can reveal this toolbar and manage the settings like microphone, audio recording. We can enable or disable pen, change its color as well, enable or disable camera, pause the footage, play the footage, or finish recording and save it. Now when our recording is saved, you should be able to access it in your notification panel. Here it is. And as you can see, there's the touch points that I've enabled, and our screen recorder works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.